Welcome. Today's episode, back in front of a DSLR because I want to be back in front of a DSLR today. What episode am I filming? Ducati, that's it, wheels. So this video has, this whole process of getting the wheels has been quite laborious. It has been over a year, well, it's been a year, I'd say, nearly a year. In short, UPS lost my wheels. Great, and that was back in February this year, February 2021, UPS lost my wheels. A few miles down the road. They never found them. But however, the company who sent the wheels, Haan Wheels, I can't fault them at all. They jumped right in there. They said, don't worry, we'll sort you out. We'll do what's needed. We'll send you a fresh set out. However, it's been a bit of a long process because what I've had to do is I've had to get the custom CNC'd XS650 hubs from Dime City Cycles, fly them over to the Netherlands, then get Haan Wheels to remake these wheels again. So these are Excel rims supplied by Haan Wheels, but Haan Wheels have had to custom drill these so that they could lace the Dime City Cycle hubs with these rims, because obviously the angles and everything like that is different to their standard ones. So these are custom drilled, custom hubs, laced rims from Haan Wheels, Excel rims. My gosh. So there's quite a few people involved with that. Not only that, but these are being wrapped then into some Avon tyres, the Trail Riders. AV54s on the back, AV53s on the front, but the box is here. Here it is. I'm not going to talk any more than this. Let me open the box, let me show you what's there. Oh, and before anyone notices or anything like that, yeah, the mongrel frame is missing from the back here. That's because it's gone off to be welded. Super excited to see that back, all rigid and welded and neatly welded, more importantly. A better job than I could ever do. So yes, that's exciting. Yes, and here it is, a box from Haan Wheels. Amazing. All right, let's open it up. That is the mongrel engine there. It actually looks quite small and compact, but it's a huge engine and it is heavy. Let's just say it's heavy. Let's open this up. I mean, I have done it already, let's admit, because I am very impatient. But look at what we've got here. Oh, these are beautiful, and they are so fat. They are so fat. Wow. And they are heavy. Look how fat that is. Right, let me get one on there. And then this is obviously the front rim here. Let me get that out. Put this under my shoulder. So we have one rim there. Don't you be rolling off, don't you? And we have the other rim here. Holy moly, that is heavy to be picked up by a hand like that. And here we have it. So what I've got is obviously Saga Excel rims. These are, as you can see, the black rims. There's a little label there that I've just taken off, so that's what that little marking is there. No problem, that just needs to be polished out. So they come with a little identifying labels on, but as you can see, it's just a sticky bit that sticks on. Gorgeous branding on the side here. I do love that yellow branding on the side. It just adds a little bit of something onto it. I have got these Dime City Cycle hubs on here. These are XS650 hubs, obviously meant to be for the Ducati Monster. The front ones fit perfectly. Discs and everything, that is just a natural fit straight on that. The rears, however, do need a bit of work. What I'm gonna have to do, in fact, you may notice that these are different hubs to what I had on a previous episode, because I actually put the bearings in the other hubs that got sent out. They have been lost. So unfortunately it's left me with another £50 bill for new bearings for these, because they are unusual bearings. It's an exceptionally large bearing on the back there with a 17mm inner diameter. I can't remember what the outer diameter of that is. But as you can see, custom CNC'd hubs from Diamond City Cycles, and because these, as you can see, are a lot narrower than the standard hubs that you might get on motocross bikes or anything like that, these spokes had to be custom drilled to point in the right direction. So you can see here, obviously you've got the little domes here, but then within these domes, different angles come out like that. So Haan Wheels have done a fantastic job on that. And like I said, they've sorted me right out when these other wheels got lost. Thank you, UPS. I will name and shame you because this is the second package that they've ever lost for me. What can you do? Now, what I'm gonna have to do with this though afterwards is possibly have a custom sprocket made for this. So Excel Rims also gave me this 520 chain. Gorgeous gold spine on this, black anodized chain. Or links. Because this is a 520 chain and the XX650 sprockets aren't, I can't for the life of me remember what they are, but they're not 520s, I can tell you that. And obviously tooth count and everything like that. I'm going to have some custom made. I can't find a 520 sprocket that will fit that. No siree. If anyone's got any ideas, answer on a postcard, give me a comment below. But the only way I can think of it is to actually have it custom made. I'm gonna have to do some spacers as well, but that's fine. It's all good. Now, as well as these, I've got this. Oh, that was heavy. I've got this, and I've shown this to you before. This is the Avon Trail Rider. So AV54 on the back, AV53 on the front. Gorgeous, chunky tread. It's got this overlapping, overweave tread pattern. So that rim, wrapped with this tyre, with the Diamond City Cycles hub. Oh my god, that's going to look superb. These are a little bit dusty because, again, they've been in the workshop for quite some time, but nothing that won't polish out perfectly. I can't wait to get that on this bike here. Right down there, complete with some TFX shocks, or a TFX monoshock right down there. That's going to be absolutely stunning. And there we have it. These are the rims in the back. Look how pretty they are. They are, oh, do you know what, I'm over the moon with those. They're going to look superb, especially wrapped in those Avon tyres on that bike. I have got another dilemma for the bike as well. So, for those of you that follow my Instagram stories, may have seen back in February, it might have been, I was debating whether I was going to keep the front forks gold or have them anodized black. I decided to anodize them black. I did send them off to a company to be anodized black. That company has since lost those forks. So then I'm kind of left without front forks for the bike. Not to worry, because I've had to buy a second set of USD forks for the Monster in gold again. So now I've got that decision of, do I keep these the colour that they are, which is gold, or do I anodize them black again? Do I take that risk of anodizing them black? And obviously that extra cost, it's costed me a new set of USD forks for this, which aren't cheap. So that is the dilemma I've got now. I probably will have them anodized black because they will be the only gold piece on the bike. The bike's going to be a mixture of carbon fibre, grey, orange, silver. No gold. So I think having gold forks in the front is probably going to be the weirdest thing ever. It's not going to go with the rest of the bike. If I had other accents of gold on, yeah, it'd be a no-brainer. So that is where my head is at now. But hey, these things happen. This bike has kind of been one of these unlucky projects. But those rims on that bike, it's going to be superb. Next week, I've got another BMW R100 video for you. Cracking on with that, we need front suspension, rear suspension, seats, everything like that for that, and spray paint the tank as well. And I will be spray painting the body for the Ducati Monster as well. Exciting. Right, but until next week's video, everyone just stay safe out there. Be good to one another. Bye.